Siacoin Holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Siacoin. What's the current price of Siacoin? What's the price change in the Siacoin? And you know what? At this time, a lot of people ask me questions about Siacoin. That what should we do in this critical situation? Is it the best time to buy? Is it the best time to sell? Is it the best time to hold Siacoin? So in this video, my friends, I will show you, my friends. Keep watching this video, but please, my friends, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Siacoin is 0.015526 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Siacoin. On the other side, if we do the price changes of the Siacoin, so the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the previous changes occurring in the Siacoin is completely negative, my friends. Only the previous changes is going wrong, and the latest change is of course in the Siacoin at this time is going good, my friends. Oh my god, as you can see here, that is the last 1 hour, last 60-minute price update of the Siacoin. And you know what, my friends, this price chart of the Siacoin tells us that now at this time you can see here a quick jump continue in the Siacoin, but now at this time the price falls down. You can see for a later time, but there is a temporary fast. After some period of time, the price of the Siacoin will again start pumping, so don't worry about this fast, my friends. And now at this time the Siacoin is going good, but the previous changes, as I showed in the start of this video, that the last 1 week, last 1 month price changes is still negative. So if these changes is still negative, this means that you are in the low. So for profit, my friends, for profit you have to hold, my friends. For profit you have to hold. So that is why my personal recommendation for all of you to, is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, my prediction is also positive on Siacoin. I hope that Siacoin will take a huge pump before the end of this month, my friends. So anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Siacoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.